Welcome to the Menumium step-by-step tutorial series. In today's session, we'll learn all about the Menumium's QR menu setup. Before starting this setup, make sure you've already completed the business setup and food setup, as these are the mandatory first steps. So, let's begin. From the left-hand navigation menu, go to Restaurant Management and then click on QR Menu Setup. This will bring you to the main QR menu setup page. Here you can configure your printable QR card and your online menu. Scroll down to the Choose QR Code Layout section. You'll see a selection of templates: default, medium, and standard. You can preview each one to see how it looks. For this tutorial, we will select the standard layout by clicking Use this layout. Once the layout is selected, the system will automatically take you to the QR card design editor, starting on the front layout tab. Now let's customize the front layout. You can start by uploading a background image or selecting different color styles for your background, top section, and font. Next is the logo section. Ensure Show Logo is toggled on to display your business logo. Below that, you have the title and subtitle section. Let's adjust the colors. I will change the background color to red. I will set a custom color for the top section color to better match the brand. Next, change the font color to ensure it stands out clearly against your background. You can see the changes update in the preview on the right. Now for the logo. If you want to use a different image than your default business logo, you can click Upload New to browse and upload a file. Let's customize the text under title and subtitle. Finally, we can enable the contact section. Toggle it on, select your preferred support number type, such as phone, telephone, or hotline, and enter your contact number and email address. Once you are satisfied with all the customizations on the front layout, click the green Save and Continue button at the bottom. This completes the customization for your QR menu's front design. Let's move on to the back layout tab. This design will be visible when your physical QR card is flipped over. I'm changing the background color. I am also changing the font color to white to contrast with a dark background. You can also choose to show or hide your business logo on the back. Ensure Show Logo is toggled on if you want it to appear. If you need a different logo image for the back, click Upload New and select your file. Now, adjust the back layout title. Or you can toggle it off if you don't want it to be visible. Once complete, click Save and Continue. With the back layout saved, we are automatically taken to the Menu tab. This is where you decide how your menu content is presented when the QR code is scanned. You have three options: upload your PDF, use system PDF, or open in website. Let's first demonstrate upload your PDF. Click Browse and select your existing PDF menu file. Once uploaded, the right-hand preview will show exactly how your PDF menu will look to the customer. Click Save to confirm the PDF upload. Alternatively, you can select Use System PDF. This option generates a PDF from the food items you have already set up in Menumium. You can customize the look of the system-generated PDF. Click the Layout box to choose your preferred PDF template, such as Standard Light, and save your choice. Under the PDF footer section, you can toggle on the Show Contact section to include your phone, email, or hotline details at the bottom of the PDF. Finally, click Save and Update PDF. Your system PDF menu is now updated. Let's look at the third option, Open in Website. Selecting this option directs customers to your interactive digital menu web page. If you choose the website option, you can upload or use your business logo and select a website theme color to match your brand. With your menu content selected, click Save and Continue. We are now in the QR URL tab. This section allows you to customize the web address of your digital menu, making it easier for customers to remember and use. The first part of the URL is fixed. You will edit the subdomain that follows. In the second field, type in your desired subdomain. For example, I'm writing Munchbox, California. As you type, the URL preview updates instantly so you can see the complete link customers will use. Once you are happy with your custom URL, click the green Save button. You will see a confirmation message that the data was saved successfully. Your custom URL is now live and working. You can see your full interactive digital menu with all the categories and food items displayed correctly. To view your live menu at any time directly from the dashboard, you can simply go back to the QR menu setup page. At the top of the setup page, you will find the Edit Layout option from where you can edit the existing front and back layout, menu, and QR URL. Next, you can use Preview to check the printable QR card design, or click Print to send your finalized QR menu directly to your printer. Clicking Visit QR Menu button will open your live menu website in a new tab. You also get a shortcut Print button on your QR menu setup page to instantly print your menu. This completes the full setup of your custom QR menu. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Menumium support. Happy serving!